Good day, sir. My name is Delmar D. Shervo from B84A, FSM, reporting for Chapter 2, Shop Layout Management. For our introduction, re-report ko na lang, papaliwanag ko na lang po siya. I explain it to you kasi mahaba po siya. So, explain ko na lang po ang aking naintindihan doon sa introduction. So, start. For introduction, first column, sabi daw doon is space management is essential for successful retailing as it affects store attributes, machine and equipment placement, and materials distribution. In the next column, it means misuse of retail space can lead the shorter store stays, lower sales, and loss of customer. And the last column, for the introduction, sabi daw doon is food retailers are especially at risk of poor space management, pagkakaintindi ko, and management, also layout and presentation should be managed to minimize costs. And for the next page, what is shop layout? I gonna explain it. So what is shop layout? It means store layout is the thoughtful arrangement of space to improve the shopping experience, while management to store layout is the planning and design of resources, staffing, and managing the organization. And that's all. For the fundamentals of shop layout, the purpose of layouting your shop is to minimize the asset of the company. It lessens the cost of operation and gives productivity by utilizing all the available space of the floor plan you have designed. So the following are the fundamentals of layouting your shop. So first, number 1, integration is a collection processes required to ensure that the various elements of the project are properly coordinated. It's involved making trades among competing objectives and alternatives to meet or exceed stakeholders' need and expectation. So number 1, it means integration is the process of negotiating deals between rivals to meet stockholders expectations. So that's all. And number 2, utilization. One of the importance of having a good shop layout is to utilize space, making it practical and effective in the operation of the business. It's give maximum use of resources to provide efficient service to clients. So it means utilization is essential for efficient retail operation. So that's all. Number 3, expansion. A good shop layout design may give opportunities such as expansion on spaces. It gives more room for improvement to the company. It enables to and it enabled the company to expand its space and to be used for other operations and services to the company. So number 3 yun. It means number 3, a well-designed retail layout allows businesses to expand their space and offer additional services. So that's all. Number 4, flexibility. It is the ability of the company to adapt on the change of trends in the industrial settings. It's enabled the operation of change if it is demanded by the current market, making the operation smooth and without delay. So it means number 4, flexibility enables cooperation to adapt the changes market trends and enabling quick and seamless transactions. So yun. Number 5. Number 5, versatility. Versatility is about being able to move freely and confidently from work to work, from task to task, from rule to rule. It is also the ability of the shop of workplace to adapt to new tasks or working requirements with sacrificing its integrity and workers' safety. It means being versatile requires the ability to transition from one job to another, as well as the ability to compromise integrity and safety. So that's all. Number 6, regularity, a term used to describe how a system is capable of meeting demands for deliveries or performance. It's provide efficiency sorry efficiency in output and minimize delays in services. Excuse me. Number 6 means regularity increases output effectiveness and reduces delay. So that's all. And then number 7, closeness. For closeness in layout means to prepare placement or every part of area in the workplace according to their function and relationship. So it means number 7, closeness in layout is based on relationship and role. So number 7. And then 8, convenience is the average arrangement of every part or item in the workplace that correspond to the needs of every worker, administrator, and clienteles that waves or exam players work easy access and provides easy or comfort to everyone. Number 8 means the placement or all parts and materials in the workplace provide convenience and save money, making it easier to do and more comfortable. So number Number 9, orderliness is associated with other qualities such as cleanliness or diligence, and the desire for order and similarity, and it's generally considered to be a desirable quality. So number 9, it means that orderliness is linked the diligence and cleanliness and similarity. So that's all. Next page. Types, kind, or shop layout. The different types of shop layout should the components utilized and adapt to the needs and demands of the consumer, of the consumer. It's enabled their operations to be efficient and effective. So we have 4 types of layout. So first, number 1, product or line layout. So number 2, process or fundamental layout. And number 3, combination type layout. And number 5 and number 4, fixed position layout. So next, product or line layout. So an arrangement based on the sequence of operations that are performed during the manufacturing of a good or delivery of service. Continuous flow, mass production, and flow shop processes are usually physically organized by a product layout. So here, the illustration below shows product layout. So the example is manufacturing or of bottled water. So first, meron dito nga input and output. So mag-uumpisa tayo sa input. So the raw material. So sa paggawa ng paggawa ng bottled water. So yung bottled water ang pinaka raw material niyan na paglalagyan. Then the next is cleaning and disinfecting. From the word cleaning and disinfecting. So alam naman natin lahat 'yan. Sa paglilinis and pag-disinfect ng mga bacteria doon sa bottled water. Then the next, water refilling. So pagtapos na malinis ang ng bottled water, so lalagyan na ng tubig na malinis. Then next nun ay packaging and labeling. So pagkatapos na malagyan, nandun na tayo sa packaging and labeling. Then ayun, pupunta na siya sa storage. And that's all. For process or functional layout, is a design for a floor plan or a plant which aim to prove efficiency by arranging equipment according to its functions. Process layout is usually used for products that are in average size and with an average product process. So it means process layout is a floor plan designed to demonstrate the efficiency by arranging equipment according to function. So so here we have manufacturing or of automobile. So cellphone ito. For the area A, painting. Ito yung nakikita nyo sa likod ng inyong cellphone, yung mga color coding, blue, white, like sa iPhone may black, may white, may violet, yun. Then sa area B naman, assembly department. So ito naman ang nagkukumpany or nag-assemble ng nasabing cellphone or inaayos nila doon yung cellphone. Dine-double check nila yung mga dapat at hindi mga dapat ilagay doon sa cellphone. And then ang Area C naman is machine shop department. So ito naman ang machine shop department is aayos din naman siya ng mga cable ng cellphone, like cord ng screen, ganun. Nagkakabit sila ng mga dapat ikabit doon sa cellphone, mga maliliit na devices na sila ang kayang gumawa. So sa Area C yun. Then sa Area D naman, receiving department. So pagtapos gawin ng cellphone or what, dito na mabibigay nila ang natapos na product sa receiving department. So pagtapos nun ma-receive ang receiving department, so itetest naman na sa Area AE. Itetest nila kung okay ba yung nagawa nilang product, hindi ba siya reject para doon sa bibili. So tinetesting nila, kaya ayun. Then after ma-testing, okay, sa Area F naman tayo, shopping department. So after ma-testing na yun, okay naman lang lahat, pwede mo na siyang mabili, pwede mo siyang ma-ship. So yun. For the combination layout, it refers to the combination of two or more layout. Usually large scale of production. It is also called hybrid layout. So here, product layout with the process layout. So here, first column is forging press. So second column is gear cutting machine. And then next, the third one is heat treat machine. And then the last, gear grinding machine. So yun, ito ata ang mga naguhulma ng mga bakal sa motor, I think so. And then in this example, the process of manufacturing divided based on its operation, and the finished product is made in sequence. In this manner of layout design, confusion of the process of manufacturing will be lessened, and it is flexible to good that can be mass produced, or it can be by batch manufacturing because of the ability of the design to adapt to change in operation. So sabi daw doon, combination layout design is reduce confusion and makes manufacturing more flexible. More flexible, or allowing for mass production or batch manufacturing. So next is we have here fixed position layout. It addresses the layout requirements of large bulky project much as ship, buildings, rails, estate, etc. So this illustration shows that human, and the right side is energy, in the left side sa baba supply, and the right side sa baba materials, resources. So sa gitna naman is plant site. So pag sinabing human resources, Sila yung gumagawa. Then sila ang gagawa, so hindi nila magagawa yun kung walang energy. And kung walang energy, kung may energy ka naman, wala ka namang supply, hindi mo magagawa. So kailangan mo dapat ng supply. And then pag meron ka ng supply, so dapat meron ka din material resources para matapos mo yung plan na gusto mong magawa. Like real estate, buildings. So ngayon si Marcos build project niya, kaya medyo matraffic pa rin sa EDSA. So yun, kasama na din yun. In this example, all assets of the company match as the human resources of the labor, capital, energy. Supplies match as electricity, water supply, communication resources, and materials resources such as raw materials, equipment, or tools are organized to be placed on one plant location. So it means for that all assets of a company are organized to be placed one on plant location. So so that's all. Thank you for listening.